Yo, what's going on guys, Zaina here, and today I'll be showing you how to make an intro and an end screen. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open your browser and search Panzoid. The link will be given in the description, please go check it out from there. After you are on the website, you'll see lots of end screens and intros. You can select whichever you want. Once you have selected, you have to go ahead and click on Open in Clipmaker. Once you're on the Clipmaker, you can watch and edit your intro. Here's the intro that I have selected. Now to edit the name on the intro that you have selected, you have to click on the cube icon on the left. Now all you have to do is type in your name on the text and press enter. Type in the same thing in the second one as well. Now you can go ahead and watch the intro that you made. Now once you're done, you have to go ahead and click on the arrow icon on the left to download your intro. Select Start Video Render. Now by the time it's downloading, let me show you how to make an end screen. Once you're on the main page of Panzoid, you have to go ahead and click on the box on the top left. Now on to Creations. You can even scroll down and select your own intro or an outro. If you guys can't find a good one, you can even search for it above. I'll go ahead and search for end screen, and as you can see, there are tons of available to you. You can select whichever you like. Click on Open in Clipmaker once again, and here's the intro that I have selected. Now to edit the name and the username, you have to do the same thing as you did with the intro. Click on the cube on the left, and then you have to type in your name on the text. Press enter, and the same thing with the second one. Now to put your username below, all you have to do is scroll down and do the same thing as you did with the text. Same goes with the second one as well. Here's the intro that I made. Once you are done editing, you have to click on the arrow icon on the bottom left, select Start Video Render, and wait for it to download. Now, once the rendering is finished, you have to click on Download Your Video. After it's done, you can go ahead and check it out. Here's the intro that I made. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Other than that, it's been Zaina and I'm out. Peace.